In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe in Hostinger. To get started, open your Hostinger account and look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account, and it's the easiest place to begin. From that sidebar, click on Websites. This will take you to the section where you can manage your hosting-related options and review the plans available to you. Once you're in the Websites section, scroll down slowly until you reach the Hosting Plan options. Here you'll see several plans displayed, including Single, Premium, Business, and Cloud. Each plan is designed for different needs, so take a moment to look at what's available before making your choice. If you only need something basic, the Single plan may be enough. If you want more features or resources, you might prefer Premium, Business, or one of the Cloud options. After you decide which plan fits your needs, the next thing to do is choose how long you want to subscribe for. You'll usually see different billing periods, and the price may change depending on the length of the subscription. In many cases, longer subscription periods offer better value, so it's a good idea to compare the options carefully before moving forward. Just select the duration that works best for your budget and your plans for the website. Once you've selected your hosting plan and subscription length, click the option to continue so you can move to the payment stage. At this point, you'll be asked to choose a payment method. Pick the payment option that is most convenient for you and make sure to review the order summary before completing anything. This is helpful for confirming that you selected the correct hosting plan and subscription period. When everything looks right, go ahead and proceed with the payment. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the checkout process. Make sure all your billing details are entered correctly so there are no delays. And that's it. After the payment is successful, your subscription should be activated, and you'll be ready to continue setting up your hosting and website inside Hostinger. If you're following along while signing up, just move carefully from one screen to the next and double-check your selections before confirming the purchase.